OPQ is the sector of circle having center O. ये center O है और ये sector है अपना OPQ and radius 15. So this is 15 centimeter. So our radius is 15 centimeter and measure angle POQ is 30 degrees. तो ये 30 डिग्रीज है सेंट्रल एंगल, ये 30 डिग्रीज. फाइंड द एरिया इनक्लोज इन आर्क पी क्यू. ये आर्क पी क्यू है अपना और कॉर्ड एंड कॉर्ड. एरिया इनक्लोज बाय आर्क पी क्यू एंड कॉर्ड पी क्यू. तो हमें ये एरिया फाइंड आउट करने का. सो फर्स्ट वील कन्वर्ट दिस 30 इंटू रेडियंस. 30 इंटू पाई अपॉन 180 रेडियंस, दैट इज इक्वल टू पाई बाय 6. नाउ वी विल फाइंड आउट एरिया ऑफ सेक्टर, दैट इज हाफ इंटू आर स्क्वेयर इंटू थीटा. सो दिस इज इक्वल टू हाफ इंटू 15 स्क्वेयर into pi by 6. So this is half into 225 into pi by 6. So this is 225 pi upon 12 square centimeter. Now we will make construction PM perpendicular to OQ. So construction is PM perpendicular to QO. So this is our 90 degrees. So triangle POM is right angle triangle. Right angle triangle. So sin theta means sin 30 is what opposite side, that is PM upon hypotenuse, that is OP. So this is equal to half PM and OP is 15. So our PM, that is height of triangle POQ, that is 15 by 2. Now we will find out area of triangle POQ, that is equal to half base into height. Half your base is OQ, that is radius, so this is 15 centimeter into height is PM. This is our height. So this is equal to half into 15 upon 2, that is 225 upon 4 square centimeter. Now we want to find area enclosed by arc PQ and chord PQ. That is what area of sector OPQ minus area of triangle POQ. So this is 225 upon 12 minus 225 upon 4. So 225 upon 4 common, this will be pi by 3 minus 1 square centimeter. So this is the area enclosed by PQ and chord. So please subscribe